Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. So in today's video it is given, in today's video we will solve a question from production function. So in this production function which will incorporate the Keynesian model, it is given, suppose that due to technological progress labor requirement per unit of output is halved in a simple Keynesian model where output is proportional to the level of employment. So output is proportional to the level of employment. What happens to the equilibrium level of output and equilibrium level of employment in this case? Consider a modified Keynesian model where consumption expenditure is proportional to labor income and wage rate is given. So when labor income and wage rate is given, does the technological progress produce a different effect on the equilibrium level of output in this case? So we have to answer this question. So in question number 6, what we have to do is, first of all, we know, suppose the production function has changed from, suppose the production function basically has changed from, y equals to f naught L equals to alpha L to y equals to f naught L equals to f naught 2L equals to 2 alpha L. Here A is basically greater than 0 and labor demand curve is basically given by L naught W, which belongs to 0 r dash theta bar. So here if A less than W, here if A equals to W and if A greater than W. So we have these three things. Now W is real wage and it changes to, W is what? It is real wage changes to L1 W 0 R star phi if 2A is less than W, if 2A is equals to W, and finally if 2A is greater than W. So we have this three finding. So here we have to make an assumption. Let us assume the labor supply is exogenously given and it is equals to L. So let us assume labor supply is exogenously given and it is given as capital L bar. Now solving for the equilibrium in labor market, we get that real wage has changed from A to 2A. The real wage has changed from A to 2A, but equilibrium employment is remained as L bar in both cases. Therefore aggregate supply curve has shifted from y equals to AL bar to y equals to 2AL bar. Given aggregate demand, any aggregate demand, say for an example aggregate demand is y equals to AD W, it is to see that the new equilibrium level of output in the model will be twice as much as it was earlier. The new equilibrium level of output will be twice as much as it was earlier, So I hope you guys have understood this question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is given as www.saurabhsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number. Have a nice day ahead.